Let us have a look at the best ASUS laptop for the year of 2016. Now remember, the laptops shown in the video are the latest releases to this date, so have a note of the date. To begin with, let us first have a look at the ASUS N550JX DS71T from the famous N series. Now this is an all-rounder laptop that packs a fairly powerful hardware underneath its subtle and elegant exterior. It lies right at the edge of being a gaming laptop, meaning it has enough power to run all sorts of games as well as perform heavy tasks such as editing and designing. This particular laptop has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen along with the powerful Intel Core i7-4720HQ that has a 2.6 GHz clock speed with a max frequency of 3.6 GHz. What this basically means is that during low-level tasks, the processor will be running at its base 2.6 GHz, and during heavy tasks such as gaming, the processor will boost itself to 3.6 GHz. This would of course utilize more power. Furthermore, the laptop offers 8 GB of RAM along with NVIDIA GTX 950M graphic card, which is not the best out there, but it should be able to handle most of the latest games at low to medium graphics depending upon the type of game you play. Next up, we have ASUS ROG GL751JT CH72. Now the ASUS ROG G751 series has 5 different models. The one being shown here is not the most powerful of the 5, but it has an incredible value for money. I could have picked the top end model and be done with it, but more expensive does not mean better value. This laptop packs a powerful Intel Core i7-4710HQ processor along with NVIDIA GTX 970M graphics card. This graphics card is just a notch below the NVIDIA GTX 980M, which is the reigning king of graphic card for laptops at the moment. However, again, the NVIDIA GTX 970M has a much more decent price point. With that said, if you are looking for a decent gaming laptop that can complement your gaming life, then this is a fairly valuable machine to have. Let us have a look at the ASUS budget laptop now. If you are just looking for an average laptop just for normal daily work, then ASUS X5507A is a good laptop to consider. It has an AMD processor, the A10-7400P, which roughly compares to the Intel Core i3. However, whereas the Intel integrated graphics card is as good as nothing, the AMD Radeon R6 integrated graphics card in this machine is as good as a dedicated NVIDIA GT730M. Now remember, this by no means is a gaming laptop. You would be lucky to play any of the latest games at even low graphics with decent frame rate. The real deal breaker is the all-rounder configuration, that too at a fair price. Take a note of the huge 8 GB of RAM this laptop has to offer. This laptop is a 15.6-inch in screen size with HD resolution. We will now have a look at ASUS Ultrabook. Specifically, we will talk about the new ASUS ZenBook UX305LA 13.3-inch Ultrabook. Remember the time when Ultrabooks were things that only the rich could afford? Remember when they were overly priced and only those with deep pockets could afford these thin and elegant piece of machines? Not anymore, and UX305LA is the manifestation of that fact. This is a pure Ultrabook weighing at about 2.86 pounds and less than 6 inches thin that packs a powerful hardware, all this at a very decent and affordable price tag. Next, we have a convertible machine by ASUS. This is the ASUS TransformerBook Chi with 12.5-inch screen on a slim and beautifully crafted exterior. This is a detachable convertible laptop rather than hinge rotate, so most of the hardware would be found under the display and not the keyboard. It has an excellent overall configuration. The screen is neither too big nor too small. Any smaller screen would beat the purpose of this machine being a laptop. On a 12.5-inch screen, you can utilize the power of the hardware much more easily than on a small confined space. Of course, this is my opinion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.